We're going a little bit countryside today. Ooh, whoa, we are going deep down in here. Wow, there's the Venison Cemetery. We are deep in District 7, honey. Actually, kind of maybe outside of D7 right now. But we're gonna have a good afternoon. It's gonna be fun. Looking sus, Liam. I bet our driver's like, what is going on, dude? Where are we booking? Okay, I see a parking lot. Okay, come on, yeah. So the weather has been incredible in Saigon. So we got a beautiful afternoon. We're gonna take out to enjoy it outside. We've never been to this spot before. Checking it out for the first time. But one of the coolest things in Vietnam, or cultural things they do, is they got these big giant like fishing restaurants. So that's what we're gonna go check out. Place you can go eat, drink, chill, fish. And we got the beautiful day for it. Gorgeous, cool. The purple, it's pretty. I always get the question, when's the best time to travel to Vietnam? And I never know to answer it. But right now, if you're coming to Saigon, January is the best time. The weather is incredible at the moment. It's even a little bit cool. Sometimes I go out, I don't even sweat. Oh, frog, look at the eels things here. Loaches. That's like a loach. It's not, it looks like an eel, but it's not an eel. Ooh. Oh, look at the little doggy with his little feet. Wow, that's pretty. What do you think, JD? Cute? Oh, he likes you. Wow, this is cool. Oh, I can see the fish in there. Oh, mommy's gonna be excited. There's actually fish. Wow, this is cool, Liam. You like it? Wow, look at all the fish in there. Pretty awesome. Wow, let's do it, Liam. Good spot. That's the bathroom. Oh, we're right next to the bathroom. That's perfect. Tree, we can get one of these world famous toilet reviews from the jungle bathroom. I can't wait until you have to go. It'll be amazing. Oh, Bandat Roy, huh? This table's reserved. There's a lot of fish. Usually these places don't have that many fish. Like, they're kind of for show, but there's a lot of fish in here. So maybe a good idea to rent a table if you're trying to come here, especially if you're driving far away. Oh wow, look at those little things, JD. Look at these tiny ones over here.
Whoa! I want a tadpole.
You see them, huh?
They're so tiny.
I don't know if you can see them on camera, but they're cool. Look how tiny these things are. Pretty cool. This is 15 minutes from our house. It's pretty. Wow. Oh, I like this. First a banh mi shop, then floating restaurant. I like this thing. It's cool. Very cool. You know, the hard part about this kind of thing is you don't want to come too hungry because you want to try to catch a fish and eat the fish. You can't order too much. You got to order a snack to start, hopefully catch a fish, then eat that. Otherwise, if you order and then you catch a big fish, then you, what are you doing with it?
You just have them cook it, take it home, I guess?
Yeah, you can. I think you can just take it home too, like raw. They have a vegetable I forgot about. I haven't had it in so long. What do you think?
I'm looking for fishing rods.
Looking for fishing rods? Let's say it's mom.
The bathroom is very nice.
The bathroom very nice? Really? Tree's world famous toilet reviews already?
Yes.
A 6 out of 10 here?
It's so good.
Wow, that's a very big surprise. I thought it'd be a 4.
I give it 8.5.
Wow, that's cool. It's awesome. It's really cool. The menu's big too. It's goy bon bon. It's like almost like heart of palm, but it's like little tiny root, but it's kind of soft and there's a lot of layers on it. It's kind of like a spring onion, but without the oniony flavor. It's just got cool texture. I haven't had it in so long.
I'll try it.
It's a good vegetable. Oh, we got some fishing rods coming. They have goy tep too. They have that like baby shrimp, the little shrimp salad with the flowers. That we like that one. That's what I was thinking, 2 salads.
I'm down.
Okay.
I could eat.
They have a couple different things that are cool. Would you rather get French fries or fried tofu or spring roll? Fried tofu? Nice, good choice, Liam. Liam, that was the correct answer. Correct, good job. Very proud of you. Emily. Cho anh một phần rau rừng xào bò, một phần gói bông bông tôm thịt, một gói tép, một cơm trắng, một cơm lam, một đau hũ chi nhọn, một bánh xèo thập cẩm, một beer tiger. That's summary. Do you want a drink?
Yeah, take it back.
Alone. That's my figure, I'm chilling. This spot's cool, so we'll get our first round, and then we'll chill, and we'll drink, we'll get our second round, and maybe even catch a fish and eat it. That'll be fun. Tree, that is an expert fishing technique, and this will be the perfect moment for you to catch it. I got you framed up, you look great, ready to get it. Oh, what are you fishing with, squid? Oh, they give you shrimp over here. 15K for the bait, so it's 75 cents for the bait, and the rods are free. And I'm sure whatever we catch, we pay for too, pay per kilo. JD, you fishing? You like it? Yeah, if you guys want, you can fish right next to the table too. You can fish right next to where you're sitting. I like their little cutting board they got over here. Do you see this little cutting board? Yeah, there you go. Now it's nice and cool. Wow. Look at over here, so many. Whoa, are they lining up for you, Tree? Give him a little gentle lift. Give it like just a little bit of motion, tiny bit. I hope JD gets the first one. We getting some nibbles over here? Oh wait, mommy might be having something. She's looking excited. You're about to see my wife freak out if she catches a fish. Because I just want to try to get a little bit of motion so they investigate it. A little bit of drag. Food's coming, give it back to my son. Here you go. Let's see what we got. Oh my God, I should have I hope there's no yipka inside. I sure hope there ain't no fish herb in this BS. I hope not. This is the goy tep. This is like a baby shrimp salad. I don't see it. That's Rao Rum. This goy tep always has bom din din. I don't know why. There we go. These places are always so cool. It's just like awesome place to chill for a couple hours. If you have some nice weather, it's perfect afternoon. Ooh, more stuff, more stuff, more stuff. You remember this vegetable? It's a good vegetable. And this is this kind of vegetable I was talking about, this bom. It's like a root or a stem, this shrimp and pork. They call this jungle vegetable, a good vegetable. I stir fry with beef and we're getting rice for it. We got bunsao too, they got big ass bunsao. I like they give you a lot of prawn cracker for the salad. They give you enough. They don't give you like 3. What up, little man? Wow, bunsao, very coconutty. I like it. You like this place? Cool place. The microcrossorosis in Vietnam, I got over that about the 3rd month in. I think I finally realized
I think you finally started to settle into it.
Yeah, come on.
Especially when you were at dinner the other night, you were like, I love you, dude. I'm just excited you're here.
You're a good companion. You're easy. But all the things I hated, like, have gotten better here. There was no Grab before. There was no Lazada or Shopee. Like when you would just walk on the street and you try to walk to a corner and just see a guy laying on the bike, and then you'd be like, I want to go to this street, and he would be like, 60K, and you'd be like, 40K. You'd be like, 55K. No. It sucked. It was fun the first time, but yeah, but there's been some major convenience things here.
And you don't like the people not waiting eyes,
Yeah, that was terrible. That's gotten better. Do you want to grab another bunsao now or no? Yeah? Yeah, but one bunsao goes quick and it's good. It's very crispy. Or very coconutty.
Definitely one of my
I
favorite
like the
things.
same.
You love goy, Dep?
Yeah, it's not as good as the one we had at the hot pot.
Yeah.
It just had that one just had like a better
Flavor overall?
flavor, but I think the biggest thing is like the ratio of shrimp to flour.
But I just these tiny shrimp, I love them. They're so good. And that's why somebody had for the live, like I want someone to recommend these little tiny shrimps, and somebody recommended the little tiny clams, but as like a clam pizza. They wanted to use the Vietnamese clams, particular dish, but white pizza style. And I was like, yeah, dude, I'm into that. But it didn't win. Maybe next week. Little baby clam pizza.
It's biting.
You got biting?
No.
Oh, you're getting some nibbles, dude, for sure. You getting nibbles.
Pull it up.
Even this table, I asked, did you get any? I said no.
Didn't catch anything? Maybe the fish are very full. Wow, look how many fish are in. So many fish here. There's some real big tilapia too. It's pretty cool. You could definitely catch a meal here. A lot of times these spots are kind of, they just feel like a pool and it's like a show more than this. But this is actually a real pond and there's real fish, a lot of them. And there's a chance you could definitely catch something for real here. That would be exciting. We'll see. But until then, we feast. There's the white rice is there. If you guys want white rice. And then we got the rice that they cook inside the bamboo. They grill it. Gam lam. So you guys will like that.
Have you ever been to Thailand?
Oh yes, yeah, we did have a great time. Chiang Mai was really, really fantastic. We didn't spend a lot of time in Bangkok though, so I'd like to see Bangkok. Come on. She's a cutie pie. She's a sweet lady.
Like this. What?
This is, they call it wild vegetable or jungle vegetable,
Never had it.
depending on the translation. I like it a lot. It's a very healthy vegetable. It's a very expensive vegetable. It's good. So that's rice grilled inside the bamboo. And then we got the sticky rice grilled inside the bamboo stick, which is always a cool dish. Usually pricey, but this is like $2 for one stick, so that's really high. But they are a lot of work to make them. That's very crispy, that gam lam. Oh, I like it.
If you need a bigger piece so it's like softer in the middle, you get the
Sometimes you get big ones. That's a really thin one. Usually it's not split and grilled like that, but I still like it. It's always gonna be chewy. It's always sticky rice, but I like the toasted flavor. Yo.
It is having all the trees, the palm trees around.
Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, this is the best way to chill here if you're gonna be in Vietnam. Not drinking a coffee, this is the best. I thought we would probably order more. I just wanted to get something on the table. I think we're gonna be here for a little bit. Hopefully we catch a fish. Yeah, maybe at least later we'll get our fried rice too. Our white rice is almost gone. The only thing about this place is like you need so many servers because you always have to have a server in every single cubby. Because the bun sounds good, honey. You guys ate it so fast, so we got another one. And we'll put that right on your side so you can help yourself as much as you want. You guys eat this bun sao, you get all your strength. Then you go out there and fish. You catch me a nice, big, beautiful fish. It'd be wonderful. We haven't been to this kind of spot in a long time. It's so good. It's definitely. Yeah, it's almost like in the East Coast you would go to the Jersey Shore for the afternoon, kind of get a break and go to the countryside sort of. This is almost like the Jersey Shore. You can kind of get a little feeling of countryside in a 20-minute drive. That's close to us too. That part's cool. And we knew we wanted to go out today because the weather was so good. And apparently there's other fishing spots around us that aren't really so beautiful in restaurant. They're more just like fishing. And then you can catch really big catfish, like as big as JD. So maybe we'll try that one day too. So nice. This is like one of those days you look around, you're just looking around and be like, I just love this place. It's so cool. There's something about it. It feels so free. The weather's so nice. It's so beautiful. There's just a chill about it that's so special to me about Vietnam. But yeah, like this is I'm just looking around. It's like, holy shit, what a great place. Like I love being here. Vietnam is so great sometimes. And this is one of those times. We're down a rod. That's okay. There, I can get it. Yeah, I got it, but just keep my phone up on the table. You still got the bait. Daddy saved the day. Bummer, dude. I thought we had a fish. He's coming back. Okay, take your time. He seems like he's hanging around there. I see orange. Come on now. Give it a little nibble.
Now, what are you trying to do? Fixing?
Yeah, I'm trying to fish him.
With my rod?
With your rod. The guy's nibbling. You got the bun sail bait? Let's see if the bun sail bait is the way to go. The bun sail bait. Oh, I think it's the solution. I think they like coconut. Yeah, there's coconut. There's a lot of coconut on the bun sail. It's got a smell. Update, we've been here for 2.5 hours. We're a couple beers deep in here. And they told us we have to leave by 6. We've been here for 2.5 hours, 3 o'clock. We gotta leave by 6. Okay. All right, we'll be out of here in 3 hours. We'll check back in later. 1.1 million total. Wait, do you want to pay with your phone? I don't know, I just don't even want to carry the cart across the boardwalk. I'm freaking out. I bet just slipping through a crack somewhere. Paying with a phone is easy. Well, we caught nothing, but we had a great time. I had a great time. Did you have a great time? Tree liked it. It got a little boring fishing, but he had a good time. Liam, you had a great time?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad to hear you had a good time. Michael, did you have a great time?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Would you come back here?
Definitely.
Oh, good. I'm glad you enjoyed it that much. I would too. This is...
But I would bring my own fishing rod and bait.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
What bait?
The bait is the stuff you feed the fish with to try to catch the fish with. Yeah, I mean, if you have a rod, it's cool to bring it. There's lots of these kinds of restaurants and areas around through Ho Chi Minh City. So you don't have to go to this one in D7. But this is the one we did too. I'll put the address down below. I'll put any more down below. We all cut on, that's right. But we still had a good time, right? Did you have fun? Would you want to come back here? Okay, good. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, but there's tons of these places all throughout the city. So you want to do the points? I was going to do that outside. Let's go. I have crossed into unprofessional. Yeah, I still have my mic on. It's just not turned on. Now I have my mic. And we are now at an unprofessional level of enjoyment, afternoon enjoyment now. And we're going to try not to fall in the water on the way out. Whew. Feel like I'm in the countryside, got that afternoon buzz. Pretty cool. I haven't done this kind of Vietnam experience in a while. It feels so nice, actually. Super nice, super fun. So here, I'll show you the bathroom. Tree gave it a 5. It's not worth, whatever Tree gave it, it's lower than the number he gave. It's a trough. It's a clean trough, but it's a trough. But it's cool to get here. Here, this is what Tree gave, like a 7 or a 6. It's clean, but it's an outhouse. So always take Tree's bathroom reviews with a grain of salt. He's a very experienced bathroom user and has been in very difficult situations already. Are we ready for Liam's world famous bathroom reviews? What would you give that out of 10?
Actually, 7.
7. See, my kids are freaking tough. What would I give it? 6. I'll give it a 6. It's nice. It's clean for an outhouse. It's kind of fun. 6.5. It's kind of a cool environment. It's the perfect atmosphere for us here. Well, either way, which way you want to go? Pretty cool, pretty cool. He don't look very good, huh? You better get him for a discount. He's not looking so fantastic. The stonefish are cool. They call it a frogfish, a frog face fish. You think that's stupid? It kind of looks like a frog face. This is a cool spot. Oh, shrimpies? Half are dead. These kind of spots are just so fun. Just like one of the best parts about being here. We just haven't been doing this kind of stuff lately. We got to keep doing more of this countryside nature stuff. It's so nice. All right, young man, I'm not bringing out my second mic, so you're just going to stand close to me. How did you feel about the spot? Did you like it? Shut up, you
Oh, how close
asshole.
to after? It's good.
Would you come back?
Yeah.
Favorite thing on the table?
I love that shrimp salad.
I know.
It's
Goit
like
Dap?
one of
He
my-
likes Goit Dap. Goit Dap is a great dish.
It's not the best one that I've had since I've been in Vietnam, but it's never been bad. And like
Yeah.
with the shrimp crackers, it's
Yeah.
such a good.
And I feel like this spot, nothing was the best I've had. Everything was good though.
Yeah, everything was good.
Yeah,
There was nothing that was
perfectly
bad.
satisfactory.
Yeah.
You're coming for pretty good food and a great environment.
Yeah, I'd come back just to get other things that I didn't have.
Yeah, and the menu's humongous. Point.
7.5.
7.5.
Solid 7.5.
7.5 food, but how about overall experience? Yeah, because it's more than a 7.5.
9. Yeah.
Yeah, I think
it's very chill. My Saturday has just become 10%, 20% more relaxed.
Yeah, maybe 35%. Yeah, pretty chill. Let's get the toilet expert. Well, I did my own toilet review. I hope you're not upset about it. And even Liam did a toilet review too, because we went together. Did you like the spot?
Yes.
Would you come back?
Yes.
Favorite thing on the table?
Bun sail.
And point.
7.
7 for the food. How about overall experience?
The experience was a 6.
A 6?
Yeah, one, I stubbed my toe. We didn't get any fish at all. And also, if they're gonna price you for the fish and they're gonna price you for the fish food,
Yeah.
they gotta give you a smaller hook. That's BS.
Okay, all right. Interesting take. All right. Would you come back?
Yes.
Favorite thing on the table?
The same as Michael.
The salad, the shrimp salad. And point?
9.5.
Nice, dude, nice. Glad you had a good time. How do I phrase this? My wife doesn't mean to be on camera today. How about we just do it like this is a romantic shot, like it looks like I'm hugging you. All right, beautiful. How about like this? All right, I'll sneak in with a hug. Favorite thing on the table?
Probably the bánh xèo.
Would you come back?
Once in a while.
Point.
Overall, probably 8.
Thank you. JD Pie, would you come back?
Yeah.
Favorite thing on the table?
You like a
Okay, point.
10.7.
Fantastic score, amazing score. Would it come back? Yes. Favorite thing on the table? Probably fried tofu. Maybe the bun sao.
Oh, wow.
It's simple, but I like fried tofu. But it's probably the bun sao. It's probably the bun sao. Not like this tofu was anything special. I just like it. The best thing is probably the bun sao. I think that was a clutch order on a Saturday afternoon. Pretty great order. It's nice to have it. It's big. It's good. Food price or point 7 out of 10. Overall experience 9 out of 10. I love it. Totally come back. Yeah, it's great. This kind of stuff is super cool. If you come, do this kind of stuff. I got nothing else to say. I'm toasted. See you later. Peace. Bye.